This was the best chocolate tour. It ended up being just me and my friend with the guide, which was perfect because we could ask all our questions and we got to learn so much about the chocolate growing and production process. The shop they teach the class in is so cute and has lots of goodies available for purchase. We got to try 5 types of chocolate, hot chocolate, tea, cocoa juice, and bread. Well worth the time and money. We had Melissa as our guide and she was the absolute best. We were in the chocolate tour and the workshop chocolate. It was amazing. We had a great time with Juan and Julie. The workshop was included tasting of chocolate, drinking hot chocolate, making pralines and a lot of information about the making process. There was a lot of fruits tasting. I really recommend this tour and workshop. It was an amazing experience. An amazing experience, interesting, fun and delicious. You also get to try authentic local Colombian food. It's interesting to hear about the story of chocolate and the production process, and you also learn about the history of South America, which is very interesting. You can also buy quality chocolate there. Goli, the guide, is amazing. I love the experience, highly recommend it. It's even better than the description suggests. We learned so much fascinating information, got involved in creating chocolate truffles, learned about chocolate making processes, history, and much more. It was a pleasure to meet and share with the workshop participants. This was an amazing experience. We got to try several different types of chocolate from different regions, as well as several other Colombian snacks. They taught us about the process of making chocolate. It was very informative and everything tasted amazing. Our hosts were great. I would do this again. I booked this experience for my birthday and it was so special. Melissa and Juan were incredibly kind and generous in sharing about the culture and history of Colombia through chocolate. It was a magical and unique experience that should not be missed. It was absolutely fantastic, with great information about chocolate production in the country, and 2 superb guides who accompanied us through the evening. We even got to make our own chocolate and take it home. Thank you. Amazing tour. The owner is a very nice person and explains very well. We learn about making chocolate, taste and make pralines together. It was an amazing tour and I recommend everyone to do it. This was a great workshop, one of our favorite things we did in Bogotá. We both learned a lot, ate a lot, of chocolate, fruit and snacks, and had fun. Highly recommend. Amazing experience in Bogotá. The guides were knowledgeable, passionate, and easy to talk to. I would absolutely recommend, plus the bread and chocolates were delicious. This was a great experience. I had a lot of fun and was very well educated about many things Colombian. Thank you to Juan David and Melissa for their time and effort. Great experience. They taught a lot of history and showed appreciation to the natural process of chocolate making. Our guide was friendly and excited about the tour. She gave good tips for our stay in Bogotá as well.